Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on day number 3 of Chrissy's Beautiful Life, the Best of the Sketches series. This is round 10, and this sketch is by Rochelle Spears for A Sketches in Time. And I've got a great photo to use. It is a vertical, not a horizontal, so we're going to have to move a couple of the elements horizontally, but that's okay. And he has a dinosaur bib on, so that's going to be my theme. And I'm just going to use the title DinoMite. And I brought out an old collection from close to my heart. It's called Something Fierce. I have quite a bit left in this, so I'm glad to use some of it up. But look at the colors match perfect, right? I love that. So I'm going to go through and find some of the things that I can use. That blue doesn't. But a bunch of these are already cut. I put all my collections together after I'm done with them, so that if I want to use them, everything is right there. I want to get down to a couple pieces, then I'll sort them out. But I have so much here that I'm going to keep it together. Narrowed it down. I'm going to use this as my base. I have a lot of this, and I think it's going to go good. And with a bunch of the panels on top of it, I think it'll really calm it down and won't be so busy. So going through some of these papers, and these are not in the Something Fierce collection, so I need to pull these out. They're a different collection, but it really matches his outfit, so I think I may use this piece right here. And who knows but me and you. So I'll fast forward through here as I cut these pieces of paper down. Okay, I really enjoy building my photo up from the bottom, or from the top down, I should say. So I now have this. Oh, it's so cute. Now I do need to, let's just bring in something dark. So I have this gray left, and on the sketch, there's this big one in the background. So let me see what I think about maybe doing 4 corners, and I can do 1 in each corner with white over the top, and that will really ground it. So I need to just put some white on these, and I think it'll be finished. I'm going to add a black edge to these just to really make them pop. I brought in our intense black ink from Close to My Heart. It just makes it stand out just a little bit. And then maybe popping this up on some foam will give it that extra dimension. This is coming out so nice. It's perfect for this really special photo. I like the placement of all this. Now we'll put it up on the foam, which is a perfect fit almost. It is. It fits great. I bring out my liquid glass, and I'm not going to try and squeeze it out onto here through that very fine tip needle. So I'll take the cap off. It's almost empty anyway. And I'm just going to pour it out. Now I can spread it around. And this will hold this foam really nicely. Make sure I get the corners. So now we'll set this down. And now I'm going to flip it. There should be enough on there to hold it. And get my fingers in it. Now we can put this on here. I got some glue from my Versamat on his face. To bring out my undo, get that adhesive off of there. I don't want to rub it too hard with my rub and remove because it could ruin the picture. Okay, that works great. I cut my title for my Cricut, and it's "You Are DinoMite." And I put a dollop of clear glue here. And what I'm going to do is pick the pieces up and tap them into the glue. And you could use like a sponge or something to attach it to, but I don't want to waste a sponge. But whatever's easier for you. This title came out really cute. I just made it myself on the Cricut. The offset feature that they now have is just such a wonderful thing because you can make a shadow for anything that you have. Okay, so my layout's almost done. It's dry now and it looks good. I put this sticker I had left at the bottom and I put the zip strip at the top. Okay, so the layout's almost done and it's pretty comparable to the sketch other than having the photo turned and a couple layers. So now I'm going to put in a couple little embellishments. So let's see what we have. I've got this tag. I don't think so. And we have this. And I thought I would use the Dino Crossing because it brings that really nice bright yellow. And So Roarable and So Fearsome. So we're going to put them on there. And we can put this up here. And maybe this here. I like to keep the color on color. It doesn't make it look so, like if I put the yellow down here, it would really stick out. Up here, it's not as prominent. And same with this. If I put it on green, it would really show. But here, it's just a subtle addition to the page. The same with this. Right, I put it here. It's just this little subtle addition. All right, so is there anything else? Now, he is almost 1. This is like a week before he turned 1. I love this little dinosaur, so I'll cut him out. And where can we put him? Maybe put him right here. I could have this guy peeking out down here. That would be freaking cute, wouldn't it? Oh, sorry. Maybe a palm tree. No, I don't have anywhere to put the palm tree. We'll see. All right, I'll cut these out and be right back. Use my brother Scan-A-Cut to cut that little images out, and look at how great they did even cut that little head out. So it makes it so nice. Much better than I could do. Okay, so let's get this layout finished. And this is cute. I can add some details here. I like having those little stripes. I'm not quite sure if they're going to work or not. I don't know. Oh, maybe like that. That looks pretty good. But I don't want to have it right at the edge. I could have it overlapping like that. That looks pretty good. I could have a little tree there. I thought I would do the other tree here with the dinosaur. I could have him running down here. Got some stars. So I got the little footprints too, but I don't know if I'm going to use those. Maybe at the bottom here. Just brings a little interest there. No, but there. Got a little arrow. There is an arrow in the sketch, so we can do that. This little guy here, I love that. I like, now see, that strip is going to work out well to put that little dinosaur peeking out. All right, so there we go. I'm going to get my title down, and we're going to have, oh, I can't have this here. This is going to have to go up because UR is going to go here. Actually, I could have it over the photo, right? Because we have that dead space in the photo right there. I've got the eye to put there. And there, that looks good. I'm going to have to double up on the foam that's on the back of these. That already has pretty thick foam on it, so I'm probably going to have to peel off the thick ones and put thin ones so that it's not off kilter while it's on the layout. All right, so I'm going to get it put together. And okay, the layout's done. Everything is down. Looks really good. I brought out this Jane Davenport silver screen pen. It's like a shimmer brush, and I got it Tuesday morning very inexpensively, so I thought I'd give them a try. I do like the close to my heart shimmer brushes, but this, you know, Jane Davenport, I love her stuff. So I thought I'd color the stars silver. And this doesn't have a squeezable barrel or anything. It's just what's on the bristles that you can use. I've only used it for very minor things before. But yeah, it adds really nice subtle touch. It doesn't look like it's totally opaque, but it doesn't look like it totally covers it either. Let's try and shake it and see if I can get some more in the bristles. We'll get some close-ups. Shimmer. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. And the DinoMite title came out nice. Got that little dinosaur down here, and that one, and the arrow, and the little one down here. Isn't it cute? So I hope you enjoyed this. This was a really fun layout. I'm glad I got this photo done. Again, it's This Sketch, Day 3 by Rochelle Spears for Sketches in Time. I'm really glad that they let us use their sketches. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.